Face at once, like a giant squeegee.
Or, I like your earlier idea, a massive automated cheese slicer is a great analogy. Imagine that layered pile is like a giant layer cake.
Yeah.
The bridge reclaimer cuts a perfect vertical slice, top to bottom, side to side. Every single scoop or scrape contains a bit of every layer the stacker laid down.
Across all the layers simultaneously.
Right. Horizontally across all stacked layers at once. That gives you excellent homogenization. It's the gold standard for blending beds, especially for high-quality cement.
The gold standard. Okay,
Yeah.
what about the portal reclaimer then? How's that different mechanically?
The portal type, it usually has these rotating arms, sometimes called harrows.
Arrows, like for farming.
Similar principle, yeah. They sweep the material down on the side of the pile, usually onto a conveyor running alongside.
From the side, not spanning the top like the bridge.
Exactly. You generally see them in long yards for those long, straight piles, often for